Welcome to the kitchenette of our studio that I've been styling up at the moment. Today I'm going to be doing the splashback, and I have from Vinyl Home these incredible sticky back wall tiles, and this one's the Milano Blanco. I chose this one because the room's quite white and quite crisp and clean, and we have a bit of a beachy theme going. I wanted it quite chicken styly as well, so watch this space as we transform the splashback into something quite cool. And I'm a bit nervous because I've never done this before. There's a few plugs to kind of cut in and around, but follow the journey and hopefully some of you are inspired to DIY yourself. So I thought I'll just pop in and give you a first line update. So I'm a bit of a perfectionist, and even though everything seems like it plumbs up, something's not quite 100% straight. So my first tip is just pick something, whether it's the wall, the plug, or the bench top that you want to match up with, whatever you find easier. Mine was the wall, and I just matched it all off the wall. Cutting it out isn't as hard as I thought. It's pretty simple really. You just got to have a pencil handy. Metal ruler is really helpful, and you just cut it out and that's pretty good. Sticking it down again, so easy to do. I kind of find the easiest just to work from the bottom up, and I'll be doing that for the next line too. Just work from the bottom up once you've got past that first wall. Yeah, so far so good, and yeah, I'm really pleased with it. Now just before I put the last corner piece on for the second row, I just wanted to quickly tell you how I do it. So obviously I measure up from the wall in to this point in here, from the bottom one, the same tile on the new piece that I'm about to put on. And just so I make sure that those pieces are exactly the same and they'll meet end to end. So I've done that and I've cut it. I've also cut out around the plug hole, or the plug piece, and where that's going to fit into. The backing is still on at this stage, just because you want to be able to put it up, double check that it is going to connect perfectly. I'm a perfectionist, so I'm pretty happy with that. Plus you've got to understand I'm putting white on black as well. And so yeah, I'm just about to rip the back off. I find that the easiest, taking the whole backing off and then just holding the edges. You don't want to touch the back too much, and then you just fit it on, and I start from the bottom out to the edge. So I'll go from the bottom here, out to the edge, and then start pushing it all the way up and make sure each little pieces fit like a puzzle. So pretty easy. I found the second row a lot easier than the first, now that I know what I'm doing. Kind of get into a bit of a flow of it. The other thing I wanted to point out is that I'm a mum. I have 2 toddlers and a baby. So today we are trying to fit this in and around that. So there you have it, a completed splashback from start to finish using the Milano Blanco self-adhesive wall tile from Vinyl Home. And I'm a first timer, I've never done this before, and I'm so impressed at how it's turned out. I love it, I hope you do too, and thank you for watching.